Hello traders, how you doing? It's Abhishek here again. I think the question in everyone's mind is new high possible in Nifty or not? So in this video I'll try and do a very quick analysis of Nifty and where do I think the future of the Indian market holds in the near term. So if you look at it, right, we have been rising continuously from 29 to 2016. So if you see here, what's the definition of the uptrend? It's higher highs. Okay, so we are making higher highs and lower lows, higher highs and lower lows. Okay, so clearly we are in uptrend. So this was a zone, in fact this was a Brexit area where we ideally if we had to break, the world markets could have broken here, but it didn't. Instead it rallied again. Here was a stage where there were a lot of negative vibrations in the market. Okay, the markets although did show a few down days, but then generally the lows were getting bought, and we have seen continuously that FII is buying in the market. So now if a trader has to look at the markets, we have to broadly mark out a range. So whenever any instrument goes in a range, you need to understand what's the range before even we think of getting into the trade. So let us just mark the range and understand what's the range that's been made. So that's broadly our range. So essentially Nifty made a top of 8710. So, and as a trader, honestly, if I'm a safe trader, I'll be looking for a close above 8710 to take a safe trade ahead, because above it, if I have to zoom out, you will see, if I have to zoom out, let me just move. So if I manage to move over 8710, I can see that probably I'm going to see the next resistance around 8830, 8850, and if I manage to break that out, then definitely a new top will be formed. At least 911 top will get tested. Okay, so this is the range we should be looking at, guys, as a trader. So now this is more on the technical side. This is how we should look at. Okay, so you should look at markets in a very simplified way. So as a trader, if you are a positional trader, your stop losses should be around 8474. Okay, around this zone. Or if you are a relatively you want to keep a smaller stop loss, then obviously you can go slightly higher. So let's just look what would be the stop loss be. So let's see, we can see this is the pin bar formed. So essentially if you zoom in, okay, there are this particular candle is quite intriguing. If you see, prices moved up and then prices moved down as well. So there were certain buyers around this zone. So this particular zone, so let me just mark it out for you guys. This particular zone, there are a lot of buyers because 2 times these 2 candles got bought. So I would put a stop loss around 8569, 8550. So that is a stop loss again you can use. So ideally you should put a stop loss in between somewhere 8550 and 8474. Okay, so that is more on the technical side, guys. So let's just look Mr. Gann, what he has to say. Let's just look at Gann square of 9. So if you see, let me just move my Gann square. Right, so where are we? We are exactly here, 86. Okay, so right now Nifty is trading at around in this range, so 8600 to 8700, right? So we have had a once close, we have been closing consistently above this mark, right? So that is confirmation number 1 for a trader. Okay, so we have a confirmation that definitely it is closing above it. Okay, so the stop loss, like I said, it should be around between 8.5 and 8.4. So this also complies with Gann square of 9. So above 86, guys, if you see, if we manage to close above 8700, then definitely 91, which is the 9119 top, should get tested as per the Gann square. So what will happen, we don't know, but trading is always done on levels. Okay, so as a trader, we should be taking positions only above 8710, and Nifty futures, I think at 8747. So the million dollar question, if someone asks me what's the way ahead, my take on market, it's bullish. It's definitely bullish. That's why I came out of my short positions around this level, and see how important my decision was, because Nifty definitely moved up 250 points from where I left, where I came out and went positionally long. So if someone asks me, I'm definitely bullish on the market. My stop loss is between 8474, 8569. Above 8710, I'll add some more positions, and above 8846, I'll add some more positions to on way to the 9119 top. So yeah, there is a lot of good news about to come. GST, which has been pending for over a year, so that is something which can definitely move markets. There's RBI news as well. So let's just not go by the news, guys. So let's just follow the levels. So yeah, let us see whether the new high happens or not. Okay, so in terms of, if someone asks me about the time cycle analysis, well, time cycle analysis is definitely bullish. So overall, it's a bullish atmosphere everywhere. So shorting is not advisable unless you see definitely close before 8474. So wait for a confirmation below 8474 close, only then you enter shorts. For now, stay bullish. Thanks very much, guys. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.